guys, welcome to a new video. It is back to school season and it has become a little bit of a tradition on this channel that I do a video of like a few quick and simple hairstyles that you can do for back to school in the morning when you're running out to school or work, of course. This time I wanted to focus on vintage looking hairstyles. So hairstyles that give off that retro, vintage, historic-y looking vibe without being super time consuming. Faking that kind of look doesn't have to take a lot of time at all, and there are a bunch of looks that you can do that are super quick and easy to do in the morning. So I am starting with curled hair today. Now you don't need to start on curled hair, but it does help elevate that vintage look a little bit more. If you do plan on doing these on curled hair, I recommend doing an overnight curling method. Roll your hair up the night before and then wake up with beautiful curls. So you can do rollers or headband curls, sock curls. There are loads of heatless overnight curling methods you can use, and all you have to do in the morning is just take them out and enjoy your curls. Let's get started with the first style straight away. So for that, I'm actually going to part my hair down the center into a middle parting. The style that I'm going for is basically just hair that is smoothly kind of pushed behind your ears, and then the back of your hair kind of falls over that. So in order to do that, of course, I first need to pin my bangs away. So I just like doing that with a little bobby pin. Gonna do the same thing on the other side. There we go. So then I'm going to take kind of the front portion of my hair, and I'm just going to pull that back. Let me actually take my glasses off for this one, because when it is all smoothed back, you could take a hairbrush to smooth your hair if you think that's a little bit easier to do. But then I'm going to take another bobby pin, and I'm actually going to stick this in right behind my ear, and that is the trick that's going to make this hairstyle actually durable and able to last throughout the day. Because if you just pull your hair behind your ear, it'll slip out, it won't be as sleek and tight. And since the bobby pin is right behind your ear, it's going to be completely hidden. No one's going to notice there's anything there. So it's a really subtle way of helping you along with this hairstyle. And then you can either wear your hair over your shoulders like this, or you can kind of pull it forward, or you can pull just part of it forward and wear the rest behind your back. Now, something else that I like to do is to take this as a base and kind of spice it up with a scarf. You could use a headband. I just like using scarves in my hair. So I will just take a scarf and I will wrap it around my head and tie it off right here at the nape of my neck. And then you've got yourself a variation on that hairstyle and a super cute and super simple way to make your hair look a little bit more vintagey with next to no effort. The next style is one that I do like to do with a side parting. So I'm just going to go back to side parting that I had, or maybe actually let's do a diagonal just to spice things up a bit. There we go, that's pretty cute, right? So for the next style, I'm going to just pull my hair back, all of it, into a low ponytail. So then I'm going to take that scarf again and I'm going to wrap this around the ponytail and tie it in a knot. And that is another super quick and simple way to vintageify a hairstyle that is otherwise really simple. Especially if you choose a scarf with a print that kind of feels vintagey, then this is really a super cute way to do that. For the next style, I really prefer to pull all of my hair straight back. We're gonna do a low ponytail again, but I want my hair to get there kind of straight over my head, so no parting. This is gonna be a little bit harder for me again because of my bangs, but if you don't have bangs or your bangs are a little bit longer, then this shouldn't be a problem. Just gonna quickly pin my bangs here to help them stay up. But back to the back of the hair, I am going to take all of this and just twist it into a quick little twist, which I am then going to twist around that hair elastic and just form the quickest little cinnamon bun. Just like that, which I'm then going to bobby pin down. And here you go, a very beautiful classic hairstyle that goes perfectly with vintage outfits and is super, super quick and easy to do in the morning. For the next style, I'm going to separate out the front of my hair. So this portion. And the rest of my hair, I'm going to pull back into a high ponytail. Alright, so this part of hair that I have right here, I am actually going to backcomb this a little bit right at the roots here on top, because I want this to stand up in a little bit of a poof. Nothing too crazy, don't worry, just a little bit. When I have that, I'm going to pull this back and I'm going to kind of swoop it back almost so that it forms this nice little puff up top and then kind of curves down. And then with the end of the hair, I'm actually going to wrap that around this hair elastic here to hide it. So it's going to get rid of the ends of my hair and at the same time hide my hair elastic. I'm going to bobby pin that down on the bottom, right underneath the ponytail so that you can't see the bobby pin. And doing this is a great way to give a little bit of a vintage twist to an otherwise very simple hairstyle. But it just makes it look that much more retro. So for the next style, I'm actually going to keep this little poof. So I am going to take the bobby pin out, but I'm not going to brush out my little back combing. So for the next style, first step is to do that thing that we just did with the back combing. So for that style, I'm actually going to take another scarf, and I have a beautiful hand painted silk scarf here, which I'm going to fold into a triangle. And I'm actually going to put that over my hair, right behind that little poofy thing that I have. And then all the rest of my hair I'm going to pull back, and then I'm going to tie this into a knot right at the nape of my neck again. Honestly, I would probably just leave it like this. I think it looks really cute. It's a little bit more of a kind of workwear type of hairstyle, but if this is a little bit outside of your comfort zone, which I can imagine, then you can just take the end and tuck it underneath to create something that's more like a wide headband and doesn't look as much as a triangle scarf. So this looks really cute as well, super vintagey, and takes next to no time and effort to do. So those were the styles that I wanted to share with you today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed them. If you are going back to school, then best of luck to you this school year. And if you're not going back to school, then I hope you still found these helpful and maybe useful in your personal life. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. If you would like to support me through Patreon or my merch store, there will be links in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!